The discovery of this monument not only changed my life, but it changed the lives of all the people on this island.
Douetons a zo da gaout en abeg da douarouriez kemples a c'hornman eus ar bed. Koz douar eo ar c'hoari tektonikel leno. Kevant dirioù a zo bet savet, douarou a zo bet beuzet, beko fontet, a blamour mod oa rinklet aed ar fralioù. A c'houral fossilizet, a ziskouez splan, eo a bet nagouni din d'an ar mor poent zo bet. Perak, vijek ebet anezi, un tamm eus ur c'hevandir. Iro hag evrek a zo deut da jom war an Enezenn tribloazo. Sot eo ar pao diaouan gant ar c'hezek, sorrennet zo ken gant kezeg ar vro. Kendrec'het en deus un nebeut posterien arc'han eus ar vro da ar pa anezan da lansi e bourmenadennoù war var. A rog ma teufe an douristet da var e fin ar bloaz e klas gwennodennoù nevez evit chacha muur adut. Gwennodennoù an kounachet a ba oe pelzo a vechou, hag a oa gwechal par keier kor sukr, a rae a drazur o fortun d'ar gouerien.
The Yonaguni horse is said to have come from Ishigaki or Miyako a little over 500 years ago. Korean documents reveal that one of their vessels was shipwrecked here in 1477. The survivors who landed saw no horses. So it's believed that the Yonaguni horse came from Ishigaki or Miyako after that date. It's most commonly believed that the breed came from the north, first from mainland Japan to Okinawa, and then to the rest of the archipelago. But there's another theory that claims it came from the south. It's actually difficult to know. At first, horses were reserved only for the governor and the wealthy. Later, they were used for agricultural purposes. After that, they were often used for transport. But when cars appeared on the island, the number of horses diminished. At one point, there were only 50 head left on the whole island. When the population fell to this level, a group of people mobilized to save and protect the breed. Numbers then rose to about 120 or 130. This is the number of horses